Norwegian Cruise Line is your family's ultimate playground at sea. Whether you're young or young at heart, there's something for everyone around every corner of our ships. Spend time bonding as a family or explore on your own. Only Norwegian offers you the freedom and flexibility to vacation your way. Head up to the top deck and take a walk on the wild side, or get your game on at our sports complex. Discover smiles bigger than the splashes your kids will make in the aqua park. Take a break from the action and grab a delicious lunch with choices to satisfy even the pickiest eaters. Or start with dessert and savor some of life's sweeter moments together. Kids can be kids at our fleet-wide complimentary youth program, Splash Academy, where our certified staff will entertain your kids with playtime as they make new friends. And your teens have their own cool space at Entourage. Sorry, no parents allowed. Meanwhile, unwind with a hot stone massage, catch a relaxing yoga class, or splurge in our boutiques. Family dining is best with Norwegian because there are no fixed dining times and a variety of restaurants, which means you can enjoy a meal with your family whenever and wherever you like. Sharpen your chopstick skills at teppanyaki, or be wowed with dinner and a show. Or trade cell phone pics for professional photographs of the family at Perspectives Photography Studio, where capturing memories that last a lifetime are our specialty. Or make it a date night and drop off the kids at our supervised group sitting. While they're having a blast, you can spend time reconnecting with each other, whether you're immersed in a Broadway show, getting in on the action in our casino, or dancing under the stars. The night is all yours. When it's time to unwind, relax in accommodations ranging from adjoining family staterooms to balconies and luxurious suites in the Haven. Norwegian offers something to fit every family size and vacationing style. On Norwegian, enjoy the freedom to spend your we time and me time however you wish. From delicious cuisine and award-winning entertainment to exciting onboard activities, we've got plenty of ways to play together, laugh together, and make unforgettable memories together while sailing to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Families play better together with Norwegian.